Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about how to make the Tunisian double crochet stitch. I have a chain here, I intend to make 14 double crochet stitches. To be able to make that, I have 15 chains here. So if you are aware of how to make other Tunisian crochet stitches, most stitches for most stitches the number of chains are this exact same as the number of stitches that you need, but because the double crochet stitches are taller, we need an extra chain over here. And we will start making the double crochet stitches in the third chain from the beginning. So that is another difference from how you would make other usual Tunisian crochet stitches. So we usually start in the second stitch, but for the double crochet stitches we'll start in the third one. I like to make my foundation stitches in the back loop, the one over here. If you would like to know more about that, I have a separate video for that, which you can check out. It's called the foundation row tutorial. So let's get started. I'm going to yarn over. This is just like how we make a double crochet stitch in regular crochet, and I'm going to take the third chain and the back loop of that chain, insert my hook there, yarn over, pull through, so that's 3 loops on the hook, and then yarn over, pull through 2. So in regular crochet I would have yarned over and pulled through these 2 as well, but in Tunisian crochet I'm going to let it be. So I'm going to make the same thing throughout this foundation chain, and I'm going to make it and I'm going to come back and show you how that looks. So this is how it looks after making the forward pass of the double crochet stitch. Now I'm going to make the reverse pass, which is the exact same as the reverse pass for all other stitches. Yarn over, chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2 loops all the way to the beginning. I made a mistake there, but I'm gonna let it be. So this is how it looks, and I'm going to make another row of this to show you how to continue making these. To make the next row of double crochet stitches, you have to find the vertical bar of the next stitch. So this top vertical bar, this is where the next stitch will be made, and the vertical bar, the next one, and then the next one. So I'm going to continue, I'm going to make double crochet stitches just like I made them before. Well, so another difference here from regular Tunisian stitches is that we don't usually chain for the first stitch, but in this stitch we will have to make a chain 1. That is just because of the height of the double crochet stitches. So after making a chain 1, I'm going to yarn over, find that vertical bar of the first stitch, and make a double crochet there. I'm not going to work these 2 stitches. I'm going to let these 2 loops, I'm going to let them be on the hook. I'm going to make the similar double crochet stitches throughout the row. So this is very similar to making the Tunisian simple stitch, where we find the vertical bar of the stitches in the previous row and make stitches there. So this is very similar, and you just have to make double crochet stitches instead of the simple stitches. So here I'm almost at the end. So the last stitch is also slightly different. Again, you have to find the 2 vertical bars to go through for the last stitch. In this case it will be these here. So this was the last double crochet, and this was the chain 1, and this is where we'll make our last stitch. So I'm going to insert my hook, in both those stitches, both those loops, I'm sorry, yarn over, pull through, and then, oh, I'm sorry, it's a double crochet, so yarn over and then insert and then make that double crochet. So this is how it looks after the forward pass. I'm going to make the reverse pass now, which is again the same: chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2, all the way to the end. And this is how it looks. And if I reverse this is how it looks in the back. So it's a reversible stitch. I think it looks very similar on both sides. So that's about it for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave me a message, and I will see you in my other tutorials. Thank you.